Açmak, değiştirsin de. Gitti geldi mi?
To welcome you all to this meeting of the Southern Istanbul, the Republic of Turkey. I have the honor of delivering these remarks on behalf of the President of Southern in advancing democratic governance, security, peace, and enduring justice for future generations and future generations. Within the Africa Geopolitical Group and the broader IP Assembly, Secretary General of the Interparliamentary Union, member parliaments. It is therefore, and the election process, if I may add, credentials of the delegates and
Honorable Speaker, in order to save time, we do have representation.
With our agenda, if you may allow me to proceed accordingly. In honor of the late Honorable James Onomasa Orikua, Member of Parliament of the Republic of Namibia, and commitment to strengthening democracy will remain a lasting legacy. Any hand? Now, who moves for the adoption? Can we move to item number 5? We start on page 1. Page 1. The agenda.